the very top mound of the Fairy Glens. We've got Cammie out there in the distance wandering around the glen. And then we've got Brian over here at the top taking a selfie. Actually, he's doing video too, I think. And then here comes our India. Our new friend making our way down. And move on over here. Get some of the lower ground. A few unexpected surprises with some labyrinths down there. And a few little cairns down there. You can see those. They're up here pretty high. And that's it. Beautiful Scotland from the top of a fairy hill.